Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Context is key. Social media strategy in a noisy online world. Lecture 7. In this lecture we will learn about social media advertising and paid strategies. Introduction. Different advertising options on popular platforms. Targeting options and audience segmentation. Budgeting and optimizing ad spend. Measuring and analyzing performance. Conclusion. Introduction. Social media has revolutionized the way businesses reach their target audience, and paid advertising is an essential component of any successful social media strategy. With over 3 billion active social media users worldwide, the potential reach of paid advertising is immense. But why is it so important for businesses to understand this concept? The answer is simple: without a solid understanding of paid advertising and social media, businesses risk falling behind their competitors and missing out on valuable opportunities to connect with their audience. In this presentation, we will explore the different types of paid advertising options available on popular social media platforms, as well as the importance of targeting options, budgeting, and measuring performance. Different advertising options on popular platforms. Facebook offers a variety of advertising options, including sponsored posts, carousel ads, and video ads. Sponsored posts appear in users' news feeds and can be targeted based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Carousel ads allow businesses to showcase multiple products or features in a single ad, while video ads provide an engaging way to tell a brand story. Twitter's advertising options include promoted tweets, promoted accounts, and promoted trends. Promoted tweets appear in users' timelines and can be targeted based on keywords, interests, and location. Promoted accounts are suggested to users who may be interested in following them, while promoted trends allow businesses to promote a specific hashtag to increase visibility and engagement. Different advertising options on popular platforms. Instagram's advertising options include photo ads, video ads, and carousel ads. Photo ads appear in users' feeds and can be targeted based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Video ads provide a more immersive experience and can be up to 60 seconds long, while carousel ads allow businesses to showcase multiple products or features in a single ad. LinkedIn's advertising options include sponsored content, sponsored in-mail, and display ads. Sponsored content appears in users' feeds and can be targeted based on job title, company size, and industry. Sponsored in-mail allows businesses to send personalized messages directly to users' LinkedIn inboxes, while display ads appear on the side or top of user screens. Targeting options and audience segmentation. In order to create effective ad campaigns, it's essential to understand the importance of targeting options and audience segmentation. By utilizing the different targeting options available, businesses can reach the right audience and increase the chances of a successful campaign. There are several targeting options available, including demographic targeting, geographic targeting, interest-based targeting, and behavior-based targeting. Demographic targeting allows you to target specific age groups, genders, and income levels. Geographic targeting lets you target users in specific regions or cities. Interest-based targeting targets users based on their interests and hobbies, while behavior-based targeting targets users based on their online behavior and activity. Budgeting and optimizing ad spend. When it comes to paid advertising, budgeting and optimizing ad spend is crucial for achieving maximum ROI. It's important to set a realistic budget that aligns with your overall marketing goals and to continually monitor and adjust your spending based on campaign performance. One tip for creating a budget is to start small and gradually increase as you see positive results. Another key aspect of optimizing ad spend is testing different ad formats, targeting options, and messaging to see what resonates best with your audience. By analyzing the data and making data-driven decisions, you can ensure that your ad spend is being used effectively and efficiently. Measuring and analyzing performance. Measuring and analyzing the performance of your paid campaigns is crucial to ensuring that you are getting the most out of your advertising budget. By tracking key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition, you can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. It's important to understand which metrics are most relevant to your specific campaign goals and target audience. For example, if your goal is to increase brand awareness, you may want to focus on metrics such as reach and impressions, while if your goal is to drive sales, you may want to track metrics such as conversion rate and return on ad spend (ROAS). By regularly monitoring these metrics and making adjustments to your campaigns as needed, you can maximize the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. Conclusion. In conclusion, it's clear that paid advertising plays a crucial role in social media strategy. By understanding the different advertising options available on popular platforms and utilizing targeting options and audience segmentation, businesses can create effective ad campaigns that reach the right audience. Budgeting and optimizing ad spend is also important for maximizing ROI, while measuring and analyzing campaign performance allows for continuous improvement. As you move forward with your social media strategy, remember to keep these key takeaways in mind. Paid advertising is not only important, but necessary for businesses looking to succeed in today's digital landscape. By implementing what you've learned today, you'll be able to create effective and impactful ad campaigns that drive results.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.